regal cockatiel. We have a regal cockatiel, and this bird belongs to Patricia. You know, cockatiels are becoming more rare. It used to be, you know, about as common as a budgie, but breeders aren't breeding a whole lot, and now they're a little more rare birds. So that's always nice. Yes. Look at that pretty bird. Oh, aren't you? Ooh, you got a crown. You got a regal crown. Are you a prince or a princess? Are you a prince or a princess? Hi. Hi, baby. Oh. Oh. Hello, baby. Oh. Oh, I know. Honey. I know. Yeah. Look at cute birdie. My baby. My baby. My baby. So cute. Little baby. Little baby. Oh, you're so sweet. You are so sweet. Yes, you are. Good birdie. You're a wonderful birdie. Yes, you are. You're spunky, too. You're spunky. Yeah. I love you. I love you, honey. I love you. So funny. Oh, you don't talk at them. Oh, don't talk at them. Oh, it's so warm. It's so warm and soft. Oh, baby. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, tell me about it, honey. Okay, guys. Subscribe. Follow us by ringing the bell. The notification bell. Yeah. He's like a little soldier, and this little thing up there. Yeah. Little soldier. I'm sure there's a name for that thing that sticks up there. Besides its crest, but I mean soldier tricks. Yeah, a little Christmas wooden soldier. Okay, thank you, Dory. Oh, baby. My baby. Oh, yeah. Sweet baby. Yes. My baby. Oh, my sweet. I know, baby. You're a sweet birdie. Yes, you are. You're a sweet birdie. Yes, you are. You're pretty. Your bright eyes. See my spunky silly spunky. Yeah, spunky bird. Alright guys, this is your wonderful little pet. Come your way. Yeah. Okay.